I'm Paige with Big Agnes, here to introduce our new luggage collection featuring the Big Joe Duffel, Stagecoach Rolling Duffel, and the Bucket Tote. The Big Joe comes in 50 or 100 liters, the Stagecoach 45 or 85 liters, and the Bucket Tote 23 or 50 liters. The Big Joe and Stagecoach Duffels are your go-to gear duffels for any adventure. Heavy-duty recycled shell fabric, abrasion-resistant and waterproof TPU coating protects your gear from weather and abuse. The Big Joe is the perfect rugged gear hauler, featuring a side carry shape and large top opening for easy loading and packing. The zippered lid compartment keeps you organized, and the structured rectangular shape helps carry close to the body. Stowable backpack straps and removable shoulder straps give you a variety of carrying options, while also offering multiple grab handles for easy transportation and lugging. The outdoor-inspired rolling travel duffel, Stagecoach, will be your new best travel companion. Featuring a molded polycarbonate base with telescoping handle and off-road wheels, the Stagecoach can take you anywhere you want to go. A large top opening helps with easy packing, zippered stash pockets carry smaller items, and the oversized interior lid compartment keeps you organized. Connect our Causeway commuter pack to the retractable handle for a complete Big Agnes travel setup. Carrying groceries or gear, the Bucket Tote can be your everyday tote bag, from packing up the campsite to taking a trip down to the lake. The structured tote holds its shape for easy loading, unloading, and rummaging for stuff. Made with waterproof, TPU-coated fabric that is puncture and abrasion resistant. Switch between shoulder straps or grab handles for easy carrying. This hardworking tote has you covered for any load. Our Big Joe and Stagecoach Duffel, along with the Bucket Tote, are the perfect additions to your gear closet, keeping you organized for your life on the go.